GATE CS aspirants. I'm Amit Goel. I hope all of you attended the announcement session on Master Concept Series for GATE Computer Science 2024. And all of you must have seen the first lecture on theory of computation, which is regarding the introduction of the subject. After this release, we received multiple feedbacks from the students. हमें students की तरफ से काफी feedbacks मिले, and then we had multiple internal meetings in which we decided to do certain minor changes. तो हमने कुछ minor changes decide किए हैं, and these changes have a lot of impact. Although these changes are minor, but they have a lot of impact. So हम लोगों ने decide किया कि हम इस पे एक वीडियो बनाएं जिससे हम students को सारा information clear और crisp तरीके से दें. Right? So this is an informative session and this will be a very, very small session. I'll not take much of your time. I'll directly jump to the changes. Right? So the first change is the change in the channel. So why this is done? So see students, again, this has been done for their comfort, right? So what is the basic motivation? Let me briefly explain. Master Concept Series में हम almost 250 videos डालने वाले हैं, right? Because there are 12 subjects and almost 20 videos, so roughly around 250 videos रहेंगे, right? So सारा information आपको एक ही जगह पे मिले, so we thought that to make for the comfort of computer science students, we'll make a separate channel, which is again a subsidiary channel of IES Master only, right? So that is one of the motivations for doing this. Also, we do not want you guys to spam with lot of information of other branches also. हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि आपको दूसरे branches के भी extra information मिलते रहें, और again दूसरे branches जो कि IES Master रन करता है उनको भी multiple spams ना आए. उनके लिए तो ये वीडियो spam रहेंगे because ये technical videos हैं computer science के, तो दोनों साइड से spamming ना हो और computer science students को एक ही जगह पे सारा information मिले. तो इसलिए we thought to make separate channels. So this is the only change that we have done. But you have to be very much aware. So that is why I am here to discuss this, right? So just briefly, let us look at it. So earlier the videos were coming on the IES Master main channel. Now they will come on IES Master Computer Science channel. So let us briefly look at both the channels. So again, just to reiterate one more important point, all the generic information, whatever is the generic information, will come on the main channel only. Then the technical videos, whatever are there related to computer science, will come on the separate subsidiary channel of computer science, right? Let's see this briefly. So this is the main channel of IES Master. So if you see this, right, and since the announcement video is a generic information, we have put it over here only. The announcement video is over here only. Then let us see the channels. So this is the dedicated channel for IES Master Computer Science, right? So you can directly go to this channel and all the Master Concept Series, all the technical videos that we are going to make on computer science will come on this channel only, right? So if you see this, if you see the playlist, so the playlist for TOC is already up, right? So just a second, we'll skip that, right? So the Master Concept Series for GATE Computer Science, Theory of Computation, this playlist is already up and the first lecture is already up. You must have seen this, and the subsequent lectures will also come on regular intervals, right? So again, I think the information is quite clear to all of you. On the main channel, the generic information will come and all the technical information will come on this channel. So you must subscribe to both the channels, right? So this is the main information which I wanted to give to you guys. And then let's come back to the second important change. तो again, दूसरा important change क्या रहेगा? कि अगेन हमारे पास जो अगर हमने चैनल चेंज किया है तो प्लेलिस्ट में भी थोड़ा सा माइनर चेंज तो रहेगा ही, राइट? बिकॉज द सेम प्लेलिस्ट विल नॉट वर्क नाउ. सो अगेन मैंने जैसे पहले भी कहा, आपको कुछ भी रट्टा लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगेन जैसे कि चैनल्स के केसेस में भी आपको रट्टा नहीं लगाना है. यू जस्ट सिंपली सर्च IES Master YouTube channel, you go to the channels, the further sub channels, and then you will find the computer science channel over there, right? So you don't need to remember all these links. Also I'll share the PDF in the Telegram group. From there you can directly click, right? Now अब इसकी बात करें, अगर हम प्लेलिस्ट की बात करें तो प्लेलिस्ट में भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो MCS-TUC was the initial nomenclature that we tried to follow. Now the only change is this hyphen has been replaced with अंडरस्कोर। तो हाइफन को हमने सिर्फ अंडरस्कोर से रिप्लेस कर दिया है, इसके अलावा कोई चेंज नहीं है। एंड अगेन फिर से आपको याद या रट्टा लगाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, सारे डिस्क्रिप्शंस में आपको करेक्ट लिंक ही मिलने वाला है, right? So you can from the descriptions also you can do that, but otherwise we also discussed it for other subjects. जैसे कि हम OS की बात करें तो MCS underscore OS will be the name of the next playlist if we are coming up with the OS subject. Then computer networks, it is MCS hyphen CN. For compiler design, MCS, sorry, not hyphen, underscore. So MCS underscore computer network CN will come, right? For compiler design, it is MCS underscore CD, right? So this is how the things will be, right? So these are the only two minor changes which I thought, which we as a team thought that they should be conveyed to the students so that they have the complete information, right? And then the next part is regarding the Telegram group. There is no change, everything is just same. This is to just remind you guys that you should join this Telegram group, just to remind you guys about the advantages of this Telegram group. Now, how to subscribe to this Telegram group? You can just simply, how to join this Telegram group? You can simply scan this QR code. और क्या कर सकते हैं आप, IES Master Computer Science आप सर्च करें तो भी आप, since this is a public channel, आपको directly आप उस group को join कर सकते हैं. Now, once you join this group, you will get all the lecture PDF which are ready-made short notes for you. I also already discussed these are clear and crisp videos. So whatever lecture PDF is there, that is your ready-made short notes, right? So next is regular quizzes through polls. So through these quizzes you can do your self-assessment, right? Now the another advantage is doubt solving. So we will be there to solve your doubts on that Telegram group also, and also on the comments in the YouTube videos, right? Now regular mentorship from the faculties. So all the faculties will also be there in the Telegram group. So if you have any doubts, you can any doubts regarding the preparation, regarding the mentorship, if you have, or if you want to guide you about anything, so we will be mentoring you on this group only. Then strong peer group to gauge the competition. So again आपको अपने peers का group मिलेगा जिससे आप competition में कहाँ stand करते हैं, you will also get to know. So let me conclude it. The Telegram group is exactly the same. I have reiterated the features and the advantages of the Telegram group. The only change is there in the YouTube channel and the playlist, right? So the YouTube channel is the subsidiary channel of IES Master, that is IES Master Computer Science channel now. And the playlist, there is a very minor modification. The hyphen has been replaced with underscore, right? So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in the second session on theory of competition.